Hello there and welcome to the Veggie Nerd. My name is Eric. Today I have a very special video brought to you by True Studio here in my hometown of Janesville, Wisconsin. True Studio provides yoga, cycling, strength, teacher training, among other cool, healthy lifestyle classes. If you'd like to check out True Studio, hit the link in the description and make sure to tell them that the Veggie Nerd sent you. Today's recipe is Kitchari. Kitchari, meaning mixture, is an Indian dish containing delicious seasonings and detoxifying power. It is a staple to the Ayurvedic cleansing process, and when paired with rice, makes a complete protein. Sounds like a perfect dish for a vegetarian or vegan diet. So, without further ado, let's get started. Before beginning, there is some planning ahead to do. Dried mung beans must be soaked for about 3 hours before cooking the dish. Make sure to plan ahead. Additionally, this kitchari is going to be served with cooked organic brown basmati rice. Follow the instructions on your package, but rice tends to take about 55 minutes to cook. Be sure to start your rice ahead of time. For the recipe, you will need 1 cup of mung beans, 2 carrots, small diced, 1 quart or 4 cups of filtered water, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 2 teaspoons of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of cardamom, 1 teaspoon of coriander, 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger that has been peeled and finely chopped, 1 large handful of cilantro, chopped, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 bay leaf, 3 cloves of garlic minced, 2 cups of fresh organic spinach, chard, or kale. I found a mix of all 3 in baby form, so I decided to use it for the dish. Juice from half of a lemon, and finally, sea salt and pepper to taste. First, heat up olive oil on a large skillet. Add spices and cook until fragrant. Stir in carrots, garlic, and ginger. Cook shortly until carrots are lightly tender. Add in mung beans, water, and bay leaf. Bring the mixture to a boil, and then reduce to a simmer. Allow to cook until all moisture has been evaporated. This process can take upward to 45 minutes, but make sure to check back occasionally, stirring to make sure your mixture has not become completely dry. Remove the bay leaf and then add your cilantro and greens of choice. Add lemon juice and continue to cook on a medium heat until greens have wilted. Cut the heat and taste the mixture for salt and pepper. Adjust seasonings if needed. Serve immediately over brown basmati rice and enjoy! Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you'd like to stay in the loop with future Veggie Nerd uploads, be sure to hit the subscribe and hit the bell down below for notifications. Thanks again, and I hope you have a great day. See you in the next one.